Don't cheat, okay? Bawal magsalita. Okay, hi everybody. I'm going to unboxing my parcel from TikTok. Oh no, I like it. Look at that. So cute. Yeah. Mayroon akong red. Oh, mayroon akong red nito, guys. Mayroong batang makulit kasi dito. At saka, mayroon silang syempre po free na pandikit. Yan. Palaging may ganito, guys. Kasi dinidikit ko lang siya pagkatapos kinukuha ko lang pag yun. Tapos na yung work ko. And another one, this one, I think is not really nice. Ito yung maganda. Ito yung gusto ko. Kasi meron akong red nito. But this one, I think is just like a purple one. Wait lang. See? It's just like a purple. Parang purple siya. Yung sa akin is red. May batang makulit dito. Wag kang sumilip nga! May batang makulit dito, guys. Ang kulit-kulit niya. At saka, eto, tingnan natin. Eto parang hindi ka maganda din yung paint lang siya. Pero ano siya, tawag dito. Mayroon lang siyang, may not really very, very long. I don't like also because it's look like cheap pag sobrang mahaba na yung kuko at nagiging over na siya, hindi na siya elegant looking. And the last one is this one, may tip siya. May tip siya, guys. Ay, oh my god. Meron lang siyang tip, parang it's just like a normal kuko lang niya talaga. We will try. Pang normal kuko lang talaga siya. Ay, meron lang siyang a little bit na tip. But I really like this. Yung matabunan lang talaga yung kuko ko. Yan. Look at that. Todo bawal sa milip. Yan. Look at that. It's a normal color. Sorry. Yan. But I like it. Parang normal lang siya. Yeah, and that's for today's video, everybody. Kumati na tuloy yung aking lalamunan. Wow. Ano ba ito ay? Okay, so that is for today's video. Tapas ko na to! So may kuko na naman ako. So ito lang nagustuhan ko, guys. Because the color is nagpapaputi talaga ng hands.